Something to remember about morning sickness is that it does not last forever. When I was pregnant with my first, I was able to take it easy, I was able to do all the things and eat whatever was healthy, and I was very careful about everything I did. By the time I had my second baby, I was sleeping less than 3 hours a night because I was itchy all the time, and so it just became a matter of surviving the pregnancy. And then by the time I got to my fourth, I had such terrible acid reflux that I couldn't eat anything after about the 4th month, unless my doctor finally put me on some anti-acid medication. All that to say, if you are pregnant, remember the priority is the health of you and your baby, and the food you eat is more about the calories than it is about eating the best, most healthiest foods. Now, obviously, if you can stomach the healthy foods, eat those. But if all you can stomach is junk food during your pregnancy, it is more important to get the fuel in so that your baby gets the fuel they need to grow than it is to not eat. Pregnancy is not the time to lose weight, guys, okay? So, ditch the mom guilt. If your nausea is so bad that you need medication to help, get into your doctor, find something from them. If your nausea is so bad that all you can eat is saltines, your body's pretty efficient at what it does. Get the calories in however you can and just survive it. And once your baby's here, you can go back to your healthy eating. Okay, good luck.